Alright guys, welcome to a brand new course on CSS, and this is part of the playlist on YouTube Web Design 101. So in this series we are going to focus on cascading style sheet CSS, and it is going to be a practical approach. This is the continuation course on Web Design 101, and as I said, in this series we presume we have a requisite knowledge on HTML, and this series is purely for beginners who want to learn CSS. So we shall look at introduction to CSS, then we look at how CSS is being structured, that the syntax and the skeleton of CSS. Then we look at how to link our CSS, the various way to link CSS. We take a closer look at colors and backgrounds, borders and margins, then paddings. Then also we look at height and width, then look at the different values that we can give it to height and width. Then we look at text and font, link and list, tables, box modal, outline and display. We also take a closer look on position and float, inline block and combinators, CSS class and its elements. Then we build a navigation bar and a drop down together. So what is CSS? Now CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet, and CSS is a style sheet language that describes the presentation that describe the representation of an HTML or XML document. CSS describes how elements must be rendered on screen, on paper, or in other media. And in this tutorial we will teach you CSS from basic to an advanced. So basically take CSS, let's take this whole HTML CSS thing into real life scenario. Let's say if you are trying to build a house, the foundation that you have is your HTML. You have your foundation, your bricks and everything. That is your HTML. So after having this foundation and the bricks set up, you must decorate the house, you must paint the house, and that is your CSS. So the decoration of the house is your CSS and the foundation is your HTML. So to link this with what we are doing, HTML is the foundation of the website or the web page you are building, and the CSS is going to be the decoration, the colors, the background, the animation, and a little bit thing that we can add. So this is the first video on this series. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.